this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration. Our theme for this month is Spring Reversed Stamping. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I do use gels. So on my said nails, I have got like a cornflower blue. It is by Modelones, and it is called Dreamy Summer. If you ever need a Modelones discount code, I have one for 10% off down in my description box. It is Just Nailed It 10, one word, lower caps. And yeah, you can get to save yourself 10% off. So check that out the next time you go to Modelones. Even if there's a sale, my code does work. It gets you 10% off. And why not save a little bit of coin while you're shopping? Why not, why not, why not? Well, today we are going to be doing some reverse stamping, which I've never done before until today. So this is definitely kind of new for me. I am going to start with, I think, the ring finger, which I am putting, I've got a variety of plates here. I got Polynesia BM, which stands for Bundle Monster, which is now Genealogy. XL 108. This is Born Pretty. Floral BP XL 017. On there, I took the little flowers right here. That's the only thing I used off that plate. But whatever. It got used. I also took off of this plate, which is Maniology MO48. I took the cloud. And I'm taking Hello Spring. Hello Spring. So we're going to do that first. In this really pretty color. It is by Nicole Diary. It is ND06. And I just love this blue. I think it is so pretty. We're going to take that, and oh my lord, my scraper is gone. Oh, here it is right in front of me. Right smack dab in front of me. So we're going to take my ice cube stamper, which is also from Maniology. And we are going to take off the excess that we don't need. And we are going to stamp it on said nail. Whoops. There we go. Hello, Spring. Clean off your stamper after each use. Same with your plate. So, I think that's all for that one. I did do the images that I'm using. I've got my cloud. I got some beautiful yellow flowers. I have got, whoops, I'm going to drop everything. A sun. So I've got those, but I've already done the reverse stamping on them. Ring finger I'm going to put back on here because right now I'm uncertain what I put on there. I've also used BMX for Bundle Monster, Marie Tattoo Hawaii BM XL 406, and that's where I took the sun from. I thought that was really cool. I already did this one, didn't I? Polynesia BM XL 108. I'm taking these calla lilies right here. And, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do for you on camera, like the other ones I did off camera. So I'm going to pick this up in green. Fill it in pink with my reverse stamping. So, flick your wrist, get your great pickup, take your lint roller for anything that you don't want, which I can't see. Let me see. We got something on the lint roller. Okay, so now I got that. Clean my plate. I do this as a tutorial, couldn't I? So I got my palette off here to the side. And I'm going to be using, this is Maniology's Mistletoe Magic B204. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful pink. We're going to put some of this out on our palette to color our flowers in. And I have got a, oh my god, what's it called? Dotting tool. A dotting tool. Sorry for being so quiet. A little bit of concentration going on. This is very new for me, like I said before. It's my first time doing reverse stamping. There. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh shoot, what's going on here? Whoops, I think it started to dry on me. Which is what we want, just not right that second. Oh, booger. Let me clean my palette. I recently got this, well, I think it was December, from AliExpress. It was like, I don't know, $2 and something. So, well, those are, shoot. I'm gonna knock a bunch of things over. I've got a little butterfly from She Modern. One of the littles. I'm gonna be using that in my mani. But let me pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I've got my thoughts gathered and collected. I think. I am going to put some She Modern glue gel so I have a real sticky layer for my reverse stamping. So we're going to put this on, we'll cure for 30 seconds. That'll be game on. Make sure you check the playlist that is pinned down in my comments. It'll be the first comment. And please give everybody a full view. I'm going to put this in for 30 seconds. So, I guess I should have kept that one nail out. Oh well. It's getting cured. A little quick cure in there. And then we'll be on our way. Let me get a drink. There we go. Alrighty. We are going to take our sun. I think I did an okay job on it. And we are going to place up here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now underneath the sun, guess I can reuse this. Nope, I'll use my Maniology stamper. See, this is the Ice Cube stamper that comes in with some of the plates and the sets. I think it is really super cute. Pick him up, take off your backing, dab off on something that is lint free. And there you go. Then I like to get my little silicone tool here, make sure I got no air or water bubbles. I think that turned out beautiful. There's the spring, doesn't it? So now on the index finger I'm going to put If I can get it off my there, I'm going to put my cloud there. My little rain cloud. I think it's really cute. My middle finger, I am going to put, whoops, my little yellow flowers. Line them up where you would like. Oh, that turned out really nice. Look at that. I think that is so pretty. My Hello Spring. We are going to top coat and add some bling. I'm going to be using Beetle's top coat, top it off. I think my stamping turned out really well. Oh shoot. I forgot to add the calla lilies. Can't forget those. Oh, they are dry, thank God. Beautiful. Beautiful. We can finish top coating now. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my reverse stamping, my spring mani. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload usually 3 times a week, sometimes a little bit more when I have a collaboration brewing. So I am just going to randomly put some bling. I'm using the darker blue, like a sapphire blue. I hope everybody's enjoyed the video so far today. Me and my first attempt at reverse stamping. I think it turned out pretty darn good. Don't you think? So we're going to stick these in the lamp. I'm going to pause and give this a full cure for 60 seconds and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Here's my springtime mani with reverse stamping for the Glitter Girls. We are a bunch of ladies from YouTube. They gather each month, sometimes even twice a month, and put out a beautiful collaboration. Hope you give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe, ring the bell, give me a comment down below of your thoughts. Remember to give a full view. I'm trying to reach my 1K and I need like 2,500 watch hours still. Not to mention like 150 subscribers. So if you know anybody, send them my way. Please give a full view like I asked. And yeah, I think we're done here. I really like this. I went outside my comfort zone and pulled it off. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.